It's time to take care of yourself, calmly, at your pace, in your own way. If you're over 60 and want to feel stronger, more energized, and more confident, this routine was made for you. And the best part? You won't even need to leave your chair or your home. In this video, we'll go through a safe, gentle, and effective sequence together. Perfect for improving circulation, strengthening your legs, easing tension, and breathing better. There's no pressure, no impact on your joints, just simple, guided movements. You'll feel the difference within the first few minutes. No matter your age or current condition, what matters is starting. Keeping your body in motion, with care and intention, is what truly makes a difference. Here, there's no need to worry about pain or overexertion. All you need is presence, and the will to care for yourself. Grab a sturdy chair, sit comfortably, and follow along with me. We'll move together, breathe deeply, and finish this session feeling lighter. You deserve this moment, just for you. Let's begin. If you feel ready to upgrade your well-being, why not start now? After all, small actions taken consistently can transform your routine. And who knows? Something simple might be exactly what you need to achieve the results you're aiming for. Click the pinned link and discover my secret. Before we jump into our fun exercises, let's talk about safety. Safety is always number one. We want to make sure we feel secure and comfortable. First, choose a good chair. Make sure your chair is strong and stable. It should not have wheels if possible. A chair with armrests can be very helpful for support. Place your chair on a flat, non-slip surface. We do not want any wiggles or wobbles while we exercise. This will help you feel safe and confident as we move together. Next, let's think about our bodies. Wear comfortable clothes. Choose clothes that let you move freely. You do not want anything too tight or restrictive. Comfortable shoes are also a good idea. Shoes with good grip can help if you need to stand up. Listen to your body. This is so very important. If something does not feel right, please stop. If you feel any pain, take a break. We are here to feel good, not to push ourselves too hard. Gentle movement is key. Let's do this safely and with big smiles. Our first exercise is wonderful for our legs. It is called alternating knee lifts. This exercise helps wake up your leg muscles. It also helps with your circulation. Good circulation is like a river flowing through your body. It brings good things to all your parts. So let's get ready. Sit tall in your chair. Your back should be straight but comfortable. Do not lean back too much. Place your feet flat on the floor. Your hands can rest gently on your lap or on the armrests for support. Now let's begin the movement. Slowly lift your right knee up towards your chest. Lift it as high as feels comfortable for you. Do not strain. Just a gentle lift is perfect. Think about using your thigh muscles to do the work. Hold it there for just a second. Feel that little bit of work in your leg. Then slowly lower your right foot back down to the floor. Make sure it lands softly. That was one. You are doing great. Remember to breathe normally as you do this. Next, we will do the same thing with your left leg. Slowly lift your left knee up towards your chest. Wonderful. You have now lifted both knees. Now it is time to give our arms some love. We are going to do lateral arm raises. This exercise is fantastic for your shoulder muscles. It helps make your shoulders stronger. Strong shoulders help us with everyday tasks. Think about reaching for something on a high shelf or lifting a grocery bag. This exercise will help with that. So, sit tall and proud in your chair. Your feet are flat on the floor. Your back is nice and straight. Let your arms hang down by your sides. Palms can face your body. Okay, let's get those arms moving. We are going to raise both arms out to the sides. Keep your arms fairly straight but not locked. Imagine you are a big, beautiful bird spreading its wings. Slowly lift your arms up. Lift them up to shoulder height or as high as is comfortable. Do not go higher than your shoulders. Feel the muscles in your shoulders and upper arms working. Hold them there for just a moment. Feel that gentle strength. You are doing so well. Now slowly lower your arms back down to your sides. Section 5. Marching to a healthier you, the joyful seated march. Are you ready for a little more leg work? This next one is super fun. It is called the seated march. It is just like marching, but we do it while sitting down. This exercise is great for your leg muscles. It is also wonderful for your circulation. It gets your heart pumping a little bit. This helps bring energy to your whole body. So, let's get ready to march. Sit tall in your chair, just like before. Your back is straight, your feet are flat on the floor, your hands can rest on your lap or on the armrests. Now let's start our march. We are going to lift one foot off the floor, then the other. Just like you are marching in place. Start by lifting your right foot just a few inches off the floor. Your knee will bend. Then lower your right foot back down. As your right foot comes down, start to lift your left foot. Lift your left foot a few inches off the floor, then lower it back down. That is the motion. Right foot up and down, then left foot up and down. Section 6, roll away tension, soothing shoulder rolls. After all that wonderful marching, let's give our shoulders some gentle attention. We are going to do shoulder rolls. This exercise is so good for releasing tension. Many of us hold stress in our shoulders and neck. These rolls can help to loosen things up. They can make you feel more relaxed and comfortable. So sit tall and comfortably in your chair. Your feet are flat on the floor. Let your arms hang loosely by your sides. Take a nice deep breath in and let it out. Now let's start rolling those shoulders. We are going to roll them forwards first. Slowly bring your shoulders up towards your ears, then roll them forward, down, and back to the starting position. Make a big, gentle circle with your shoulders. Feel the movement. Feel any tightness starting to ease. Do this slowly and smoothly. Do not rush. Imagine you are drawing circles in the air with the points of your shoulders. This feels so good, doesn't it? It is like a mini massage for your upper back. Let's do about 5 to 8 forward shoulder rolls. Breathe deeply as you roll. Section 7. Extend and strengthen. Lovely leg extensions and amazing arm stretches. Let's work on strengthening our legs a bit more with leg extensions. This exercise targets the muscles in the front of your thighs, called the quadriceps. Strong quadriceps are so important. They help you stand up from a chair. They help you walk with confidence. They also support your knees. So, let's get started. Sit towards the front edge of your sturdy chair, but make sure you still feel stable and secure. Sit up tall with your back straight. Your hands can hold onto the sides of the chair for support if you need to. Now let's extend one leg. Slowly straighten your right leg out in front of you. Try to make it as straight as you can without locking your knee. Flex your foot so your toes point towards the ceiling. Feel the muscles in your thigh working. Hold this position for a moment, just a brief pause to feel that engagement. Then, slowly bend your knee and lower your right foot back down to the floor. Control the movement. That was 1. You are doing great. Remember to keep breathing throughout the exercise. Next, we will do the same with your left leg. Slowly extend your left leg out in front of you. Straighten it as much as is comfortable. Flex your foot, pointing your toes up. Feel those thigh muscles working hard. Hold it for a second or two. Section 8. Breathe easy. Feel great, guided breathing and wonderful water. Now that we have done some wonderful movements, let's focus on our breath. Guided breathing is a fantastic way to relax. It helps calm your mind. It also brings more oxygen to your body. More oxygen means more energy and better focus. So, find a comfortable position in your chair. You can lean back a little if you like, close your eyes gently or keep a soft gaze downwards. Let your hands rest comfortably in your lap or by your sides. We're going to take some slow, deep breaths together. Let's start by taking a nice, slow breath in through your nose. Feel your belly rise as you inhale. Fill your lungs with fresh air. Hold it for just a moment. Now slowly exhale through your mouth. Let all the air out. Feel your belly fall. Let go of any tension with that breath. Let's do that again. Slow inhale through your nose. Feel your belly expand. Hold. And a long, slow exhale through your mouth, letting everything go. Feel your shoulders relax. Feel your body becoming calm. Continue breathing this way for a few more moments. Inhale peace and calm. Section 9. Keep shining. Your fantastic fitness journey continues. Wow, you did it! You completed our easy chair exercise routine. Give yourself a big pat on the back. You should feel so proud of yourself. Every movement you made today is a step towards a healthier, happier you. You have increased your strength, you have improved your circulation, you have boosted your energy levels, and most importantly, you have done something wonderful for your well-being. Remember how good this feels. This feeling of accomplishment and energy is all yours. You earned it. The best way to keep feeling these amazing benefits is to repeat this routine regularly. Try to do these exercises most days of the week. Maybe you can do them in the morning to start your day with energy. Or perhaps in the afternoon for a little pick-me-up. Find a time that works best for you. Consistency is key. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of movement each day can make a huge difference. Your body will get stronger, you will feel more flexible, and you will have more pep in your step. Keep moving, keep smiling, and keep shining your bright light. Section 9. Keep shining. Your fantastic fitness journey continues. Wow, you did it! You completed our easy chair exercise routine. Give yourself a big pat on the back. You should feel so proud of yourself. Every movement you made today is a step towards a healthier, happier you. You have increased your strength, you have improved your circulation, you have boosted your energy levels, and most importantly, you have done something wonderful for your well-being. Remember how good this feels. This feeling of accomplishment and energy is all yours. You earned it. The best way to keep feeling these amazing benefits is to repeat this routine regularly. Try to do these exercises most days of the week. Maybe you can do them in the morning to start your day with energy. Or perhaps in the afternoon for a little pick-me-up. Find a time that works best for you. Consistency is key. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of movement each day can make a huge difference. Your body will get stronger, you will feel more flexible, and you will have more pep in your step. Keep moving, keep smiling, and keep shining your bright light.